In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Google tag to your GoDaddy website step by step. Whether you're setting up Google Analytics, Google Ads conversion tracking, or any other Google service that requires a tag, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. It's beginner-friendly, straightforward, and you don't need any coding experience. Make sure you watch until the end so your tag is installed correctly and tracking properly. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and marketing tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy dashboard. Next, go to My Products. From your account dashboard, look for the My Product section. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the products and services connected to your account. Scroll down until you find Website Builder. Under Website Builder, locate the website where you want to add the Google tag and click on it to manage that specific site. Now click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor where you can make changes to your site's content and layout. Wait for the editor to fully load before moving to the next step. Once you're inside the Website Builder, click on Add Section. You'll typically find this option as you hover between sections on your page or within the main editing panel. After clicking Add Section, a menu will appear with different types of sections you can add to your website. In the search bar within the Add Section panel, type HTML or custom code. Depending on your version of GoDaddy Website Builder, it may be labeled as HTML, custom code, or embed code. Select the option that allows you to insert custom HTML into your page. Next, add the HTML or custom code section to any page on your website. In most cases, if you're adding a Google tag for tracking, you can place it on your home page so it loads across your site. Click Add and the new HTML section will appear on your page. Now it's time to paste your Google tag script. Go to your Google Analytics, Google Ads, or Google Tag Manager account, wherever your Google tag is generated, and copy the full script provided by Google. Make sure you copy the entire code exactly as shown. Return to your GoDaddy Website Builder editor and click inside the HTML box of the section you just added. Paste the Google tag script directly into the HTML field. Double-check that the entire script is pasted correctly and that nothing is missing. After pasting the code, click Done if prompted, and then click Save. Once your changes are saved, you must publish your site for the Google tag to go live. Click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. Wait for the confirmation message that your website has been updated successfully. That's it. Your Google tag is now installed on your GoDaddy website. To make sure everything is working correctly, you can use tools like Google Tag Assistant or check the real-time reports inside Google Analytics to confirm that data is being received. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on website building, analytics, and online marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.